We're asking residents within the 1 mile radius of the incident to evacuate. We put that order out this morning. I understand that many people have questions on when they're going to be able to go home. Right now, we don't have that answer. However, we're continuing monitoring the situation and doing air quality checks, things of that nature. The building is pretty much consumed. We're thinking that this is going to be a several-day event to have all this product burned off, and that's the best thing that we can do right now. And the main thing is that we don't want an environmental nightmare to occur, and the reason that we would cause that is by the use of water streams. So we stopped water operations at this point. We stopped suppression. We felt it was in our best interest to let this product burn off.